What's going on, guys? Clayton coming at you again from Two-Way Direct. Today I'm here to talk about our vehicle mounting kit for the Sonim XP5S and XP8 phones. Now, as you can see, right now it is unsecure, meaning you can take the phone in and out as you please. All you have to do to secure it, press down that button. The phone is not going to move. Now, this is useful if you're driving down rough terrain or if you're going to leave it in the car. Make sure that you can't get it stolen. Now you're going to take the key. It's a simple unlock. Just a half turn. Take the key out. As you can see, the phone will come in and out again. Now we have unique mounting options for this phone. You're going to have the one that screws directly into the dashboard. Then the other that's suction cup based. All you do is turn that. It's not going to go anywhere. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of a difference between these two as well when it comes to the locking part. So for this one, all you need to do is unscrew it to get it to move. Now, on the other hand, this one, as you can see, there's a little key to it. So you have it on, you can unscrew, and it's going to move around. But the second you take it off, can't do anything with it. Now, to also show you how easily you can interchange these two, comes off like that. Just place it in there. Voila. So we have a few different charging options for these as well. As you can see, it actually comes with a USB cable. That way you can actually plug it into a USB port if your car has one. Separately sold is a lighter USB. That way you can just pop it into the lighter and get it charging. Third way, again using the USB port, is actually going to be to hook it up to your car's battery. That way it'll charge off the car's battery. Another thing that comes with the kit is our high noise speaker mic. So I'm going to show you how to put that on right now. First thing you always want to make sure when you're plugging this into the phone is that you want to keep it off. You do not want the phone on while you're plugging it in. So all you do is set down like that. Screw it in. Again, you don't want to make it too tight. And you're ready to go. This also comes with a vehicle mount as well. That way you can place the mic wherever it's most convenient for you. To check these out, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893 so we can discuss how to outfit your business with these Sonim kits. We look forward to working with you soon.